Homemade Chicken Fajita Shawarma with creamy white garlic sauce recipe perfect for lunch and dinner. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Boneless chicken, 500 grams cut into thin strips. Bell peppers red, green, and yellow cut in slices. Onion 1 medium sliced. Sal chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard paste. Heat oil in the pan and sauté the onions until they turn soft and golden. Add the chicken along with all spices. Cook on medium heat, stirring consistently. When the chicken is fully cooked and the water has completely vaporized, add all vegetables and cook on high flame for 2 minutes, stirring continuously to keep them crisp. Crunchy and flavorful shawarma filling is ready. Garlic sauce preparation: take 1 cup of cold milk and add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix it well until fully combined, then cook on medium heat, stirring continuously until it thickens to a custard-like consistency. Once thickened, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Once the mixture has cooled, transfer it to a blender. 80 milliliters of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. $80 milliliters of milk. Transfer all the ingredients to the blender jar, but do not add the oil yet. Gradually add the oil after blending the mixture. When the mixture is well blended and has a smooth paste consistency, add the oil and continue blending until the garlic sauce becomes thick, fluffy, smooth, and creamy. Creamy garlic sauce is ready. Store it in a jar and keep it in a refrigerator. Make the shawarma roll. Take 1 tortilla bread and spread garlic sauce on it. Add pickled cucumbers and then fill it with fajita chicken. Roll it tightly and seal the edges. Repeat the same process to make all the rolls. Once the rolls are ready, spread a little oil on a pan and place the rolls on it. Toast them from both sides until they turn golden brown. Delicious homemade fajita shawarma with garlic sauce is ready to serve. Thanks for watching.